Model, 2019 Peugeot Boxer 335 L4X long wheelbase, 2.0 Bluehdi flatbed dropside chassis cab recovery Starstruck. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 67,358. Engine, 1997 ccDW10 FUC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs but the headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing instantly. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,650. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternative